Bacanísimo. Buenísimo. Hi, my name is John Pinzon. I'm here at Dr. Angelica Castro's clinic. I come from Canada. I'm Colombian, but I live in Canada right now. I had a bad problem with clenching on my teeth. Had a previous treatment done that was not the best. I wasn't feeling really well. I had different people recommending to come to Dr. Castro. She did a proper assessment of my problem. We decided to go ahead with smile design with ceramic lenses because the benefits would definitely fix my problem. The glitching basically made the surface of my teeth to wear off, and they were very sensitive. I was biting the wrong way, so with the smile design we could fix all of that, and now I'm pretty happy with the treatment. Voy a decir de nuevo, usted lo ha dicho. Súper, y los siento también súper cómodos.
Una sonrisa por acá.